Alright guys, look what we're doing today. We're going to check out some bees. We're going to catch a wild swarm that went into the neighbor's house yesterday. And I got one of my neighbors to give me, he gave me a hive setup and I had to make a base. So here's the beehive from the other day. They're cruising in and out like crazy already, as you can see. And this is the new hive he gave me. I had to fix it up, make a base and a top, and there's some frames in there that are already ready to go. So the newbies get to work on all this. Let's go catch them.
Right in there.
Yeah.
So I think if we get this main branch.
The big one.
Dang it.
They're kind of like all across.
Boy, they are back in there.
There's the cluster.
Very, very quiet. Alright, I think we're ready to hose them down and go for it. What do you think?
Yeah, I mean, the only main one is this guy.
Right.
This guy,
But all those little ones that are going in there need to be cut as well.
I know. Should we try this one? See it?
Just to see what happens. This one needs green to fall off.
It's slow enough.
Just roll off. Awesome. Good job. Just put the whole thing in there. Alright, it's gonna be like this from here on out. You good?
Yeah, I've never been stung. Let's see what happens. Underneath too. Right there, the big old wad. The back of your head looks like it might have the queen on it.
Are you kidding?
I'm just saying, you got a chunk.
Yeah.
That's huge. You have that more than that on the back of your head. What are you grabbing it by?
You got some on your head too. So if you just lean over there, that's good.
Off the top of the head.
Yeah, I like it. Alright.
Cool. Yeah, you got a bunch. Turn your head sideways. Like look towards your house. Yeah. They're all in the cracks. Alright guys, so you just saw what happened. We'll get back to it in a minute and just see, give them about a half an hour and see if that was a success or not. Didn't get stung, which is rad. Got a bunch of stingers in my suit and my hands. But yeah, we threw them in the box and we're gonna see if they're gonna go in there. Hopefully we got the queen and they'll all cluster back inside the box and we'll bring it up top and throw it in. Cheers. So right there you could see them flapping their wings.
Yeah, they stick their butt in the air.
Yeah. That's cool.
So we'll just kind of go slow and flop that top open here. So tilt it up. Good.
Let me all the way around.
Yeah, man.
Can we flip that other one?
Yeah.
Flip the other flap. Get a flap over. Oh, there they are.
Alright.
You just go for it?
Yeah.
Keep going. Oh, that oleander crap went in there.
That's alright. They'll take it out.
And what do we do with these? We put these in. Marley, go. Get out.
I would leave them on. Well, yeah, go ahead and put it down. Yeah.
Huh.
Let me do this one. We'll just leave this box here for a while.
Yeah. Did we get all that?
I would probably just call that good. Just go ahead and put that.
You don't want to get the oleander out?
They'll push it out. Okay, so is that all? Is that all of them?
Yeah, that's all the frames I have. So should we space it off one side?
Good like that.
Okay. It just kind of sits on top. That's good enough.
And then we just evac. These guys will find their way in. You see them? I've never seen a queen, so we don't know what queens are.
No, nothing's big.
Just remember the drones are big, but
Yeah.
they have what looks like to be like one big eye. The queen is not so big around. She's a little longer than a drone, but she has two distinctive eyes.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, she was right there.
Pretty cool. You're already buzzing right there.
So yeah, that'll take about an hour.
Chickens want out. This is the next morning of the bees. Let's let these guys out. There they are, babies. Mama. Alright. I'm gonna walk you guys right over here and show you the bees really quick. Pretty nice out. Got the grapes coming in. Bees are all still asleep. I thought we were gonna get some action. Still too cold, but here they are. You can see both beehives are still inside because it's cold out. Looks like we got one dead bee, but they're in there. I'll get a shot later today. All right, guys, it is the next day and we're gonna go check on the bees really quick. We're just gonna do a quick peek, see what's happening. They've been pretty solid. Checked on them this morning. It's the end of the day. Let's see what they're doing. Here they are. No bee suit, so I don't want to get too close or breathe on them or be too loud, but you can see they're still fanning. They're fanning right there to put off the bee pheromone, so they know what hive is what. Pretty cool. I'm about 6 inches away. Anyways, there they are. They're solid. Time to go up to the garden right up here, and we're gonna harvest some veggies for dinner tonight. We're doing a stir fry, so I'm stoked. We got some radishes that are available, some lettuce. Stuff is starting to happen here on the homestead. All kinds of growth. There's our radish bed. All different types of radish. Sorry guys, it's really windy, so if you can't hear me, just watch. Alright, so let's check some of these out. Some of these are pretty good size. Got to dig through and see what the bulb feels like. There's a pretty solid one right there. Let's see what it looks like. Wow, it's like a carrot. Look how rad that is. Carrot radish. It's really clay-like soil out here, so I think they're going deep. Let's see over here. I think I see another one atop that looks pretty big. Right here. Oh yeah, look at the top of that guy right there. You can tell when a radish is ready when you got a bulb. You can kind of see the bulb. There's a shadow, but let's see. Ooh, we got another carrot. Look how big that is, and these aren't even done yet. That is crazy. I'm gonna get like maybe 6 of these for dinner tonight. We're gonna cut them up and eat them. I'm stoked. Alright guys, well thanks for watching the video. Any questions, comments, suggestions, please put them below. Subscribe on the left hand side. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick bee clip video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Cheers.